Everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make a simple crochet for beginners. So let's start for the materials. So first, we're gonna need a scissors or the ordinary scissors we using. Next, we're gonna need some 5mm hook for making the keychain or bracelet. Next, we're gonna need some yarn for the keychain or the bracelet. Any color that you want, it's up to you. So let's start. First, put the yarn on your hands and put some extra yarn like this. Use your thumb to hold it on. Roll it over to your two fingers. Make an X. Roll it over to your hand. Using your pinky finger, get this to hold it. Get your hook. Do this. After that, turn it on. Roll it over. Get this hook or hook this. Next, tie it on. So, as you see, there's an extra yarn in here for tying it on. First, you're gonna do to make the first crochet, roll it over. Get this. Get it out on the hook. Again, roll it over. Get this. Get it out and slide it like this. Again, roll it over and get it out. Do that 15 times or 10 times until the end. So make sure that has some extra yarn for tying it on. Made some extra like this or this for tying it on your or for keychain or bracelet. It's up to you. Made it 10 times or 15 times until the end and put some extra yarn for the support for tying it tying it on. Did you finish? Wait. Did you put some extra yarn for support? Okay. So after that, get this. Get it out from the hook. This is the hole. Get the extra yarn and just like that. To lock it on, this is the perfect way to lock it on. So that's how to make a simple crochet for beginners. Bye.